Can you tell us your name? Is it you at the door?
Why?
'Cause I seen you at the door on our ghost hat. Can you tell us your name?
Who is he?
Who's who? My name's David. My dad's name's John. Are you on about us two? Or is there somebody else in this kitchen? You don't have to be shy. Where are you?
Oh, why don't he just walk through? He's sat on bars again.
Can you come up to the window?